the heck is this? Rush hour in Linville? Hey, good morning everybody. This is Dana with DC Ungelled, and I am here in the Pisgah National Forest. If you're new here, you can go back up to the top and watch the first video. But I am on a 3-month, 17,000 mile trip around the country. I'm currently in North Carolina, heading up to Maine to visit family. Got a nice early start this morning, had breakfast, made my coffee, and I am just so excited to get started with the day. And we'll see how far we get today. I'm looking to get about 250 miles in today to get back on pace, because the second day of my trip was very, very slow, so I'm far behind. Please don't forget to put your phone on notifications and make sure that you get notified when I make a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, all the social media. I also have my website, dcungelled.com, where I'm blogging every day or every other day. I look forward to having you come along for the ride. Please do. It's been a phenomenal trip so far. It's only been a couple days. Getting into a groove is the hardest thing. Trying to relax is what I'm trying to do. Enjoy myself. We'll see you soon. All right, we are ready to get back to the Blue Ridge Parkway. Don't forget my trusty Sprite can. All right, got my wallet, got my phone. Did a last check of the campsite. Nothing left. All right. We are ready. Let's go. Is this the right road here? Why am I taking this road? It's taking me around in a circle. I knew I should have just kept on going straight. Whatever, this is what happens when you fucking adventure, I guess. It's nice out here. Beautiful river, though. Alright, about to head back up to the Blue Ridge Parkway. So beautiful up here. I love the mountains. Well, let's continue on. We actually got some clear sunshine come down off of all that fog, clouds, and that cool tree. Look at that tree. That is like the coolest tree. It is so awesome. So gorgeous. Isn't this unbelievably awesome or what? It's so cool. What the heck is this? Rush hour in Linville? Alright, well, we are having to take a detour around the Blue Ridge Parkway. The road is closed. I don't know how long of a detour, but so we'll get back on the parkway as soon as I can. Well, after spending an hour doing some work at a Panera Bread, I made my way back to the Blue Ridge Parkway somehow. No idea how. We are in the middle section of the Blue Ridge Parkway. It's a beautiful night. We'll spend a couple hours on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and then we're going to hopefully be in Virginia by then. It'll be nice. And then we're going to find a campground or a campsite or wherever. Wow, look at that gorgeous scenery. Beautiful view. Stunning. The difference in this on the Blue Ridge Parkway on this part and the first part. The first part is completely mountainous and completely isolated. This obviously goes through people's backyards, so it's just pretty cool. Look at that house up there on the hill. Wow. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that beautiful sight. We're gonna go find a campsite. We got almost 200 miles today, so we are done for the day. I feel like I haven't gone anywhere yet. I'm almost in Virginia. Such a beautiful countryside. This is like a backcountry road almost, with some mountains. I love it. We're gonna check out this campground on the Parkway. See if there's any availability. All right, got my campsite. Not a bad little campsite. Nicely groomed here. Yeah, cost $20. So for the 3 nights of camping so far, I'm at $45. So, which is $5 more than my budget. So maybe tomorrow night we'll find some free camping. Got some kindling. I can maybe start a fire tonight. I'm gonna get unpacked and set up. See you soon.